In this short video, we are going to learn about the default duration of a picture in CapCut. So you can set a default duration for any picture you are importing to CapCut. Open CapCut, and right now it's gonna open. As you can see here, I'm gonna go to this setting here. As you see, this little global setting, and in global setting you can go to this place, and here you can see this edit section. Go to edit section, and here you can see the duration, image duration. So this image duration is right now is 5 seconds, and I can reduce it 0.5. okay, and performance you can also set, like you check mark this one. Sometimes CapCut is having a lot of lagging in the videos and editing, so you can check mark this one. And if there is still lagging, so many people are asking me questions about it, you can clear the cache, and that's done. So your CapCut would be faster than before. And here you can select, as it was 5 seconds before and now it's 0.5. And in the performance section you check mark these one, and in the language section you can change the language as well. As I'm using English language, you can use these languages which are available right now. So if you want to delete these auto cache, this is also, you can delete this one. But for the pictures, it's done here. You save, and now if I go to create a new project, and let's find a picture. For example, I have a picture here in my F drive, and I just want to bring that picture here. For example, this is a picture I want to bring, and import this one, drag it here, and you will see the duration of this picture is only this second, right? So this is the duration right now. As you can see, if you are importing like once again, then you will see the duration here. Let's see, where is the duration? 15.5. This is open, yeah, this is only 0.5 second. So then you can just go to animations and cutouts and keyframing and zoom in and zoom out like this one. This is simple and easy. So if you want to just like go back, you can see this is the duration here, guys. So you can check it out and set the default duration. I hope you got the idea and you got the settings, new settings for CapCut, and the picture duration, default duration time. So if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.